for no reason, because you are protecting the other side. I'm honest about that, Honorable Chair. Kindly, we can retreat before we can proceed. We kindly request, Honorable Chair, we first retreat.
No. What is your point?
Honorable Chair, you seem to be protecting the other side.
Honorable Abdara Chiwanuka, I am protecting all sides.
Honorable Chair, I'm requesting that we first retreat.
That is not acceptable.
Motion.
Motion.
Chair, I therefore move a motion that we have an in-house meeting before we proceed.
No. I have not even asked for secondment. Sechi.
Chair, there is a substantive motion on the floor.
Okay.
But to me, why you are seeing all this controversy, there has not been a statement from you as to what falls with the questions raised by members. When is the CDF appearing before the committee? You've not rested that question.
So why don't you let the minister answer?
In clear terms.
So, Honorable Sechiku, so why don't you let the minister answer?
Then put it to him. He's busy enjoying his phone, and for you are laboring on his behalf.
So, Honorable Sechikubo, agenda item number 4, presentation.
Proceed, yes, yeah. We have a motion on.
Honestly, Honorable Chair, you can see even yourself. We're moving a motion or not supporting. You're not in the support. Honorable Chair, I'm in support of the motion.
Thank you. Taken. Under the circumstances, honorable colleagues, there is absolutely no need, and hear me out. You have not, the minister could be going to address all these matters. Can you let him make a presentation and you raise matters of clarifications? You need to hear about it. He could be having a communication.
Yeah, this is a procedural issue.
Communication wasn't from him. It is you who chaired the meeting.
I have made my communication clear. So, and the matters of the ministry, the head of the ministry is here. Can he make his presentation? Then Honorable Suchku will say, excuse me, Honorable Minister, this budget you are raising, this and that, what about this? Is that not how it's supposed to be? Sure. Thank you.
Chair, no. My effort is to help.
Do you know what he's going to present?
Okusikangana omuguwa mu Parliament y'eggwanga ndowooza olaba akakiiko nga chairman takkiriziganya na bali ku board meetings nga kiraga nti chairman w'akakiiko ye ayinamu ensonga z'endala sokka ne cabinet gy'atuula nayo eraba nsonga ndala nnyo. Kati waliwo obutali bumativu na cabinet engeri chairman gy'abavugamu abavuga speed gy'abatwala tebategeerayo oba chairman yalidde tetukitegeera ate oluvanyuma lwa UPDF okukomawo nga teyina CDF Chief Muhoozi ekyo nakyo kitabudde ababaka kati kwe kulayira engano okukola bagwa omukwano gwange okugenda mu maaso. Oli ku Yugi Update Civic osinzira okuba ng'otuwuliriza webale kwekumira ku mayengo gano. Nagamba nti gwe yagala okutwegattako okkirira wansi waliwo ekigambo subscribe kikonemu ojja kuba ng'otweyongako ddala bulungi nnyo. Embeera yeeyo embeera yakusikangana muguwa yakulerengana mu Parliamentary Committee Board gwe mukwano gwange tumanyi ebigenda kuggwera naye tatugisabire tulabe.